When I pull up with my dog, I want a Ferrari and a Bugatti. My cousin makes me play.
What's up, Dogs Day Exotics family? It's been a while. Look at Big Oreo. Used to be Little Oreo. Big Oreo, what's up? With the Merle Swirl. Uh-oh, incoming. Incoming. Oh, man, look at the camp. Oh, Gemma girl, what's up? Piper. Piper's baby, Oreo. We got Rain walking away. We got Teddy over there. Trying to get in the water. She just wants to play in the water, y'all. Got Princess. And we got Trophy back here. Playing in the jungle gym. Yep. Gemma. Everybody looking nice and fat. Rain, Piper. Little Oreo. Teddy soaking wet over here. He loves playing in the water hose. Can't even water the dogs or the chickens or nothing without having to spray her down. Well, what's up, y'all? It's been a while. I know some of y'all might still be hanging around. I ain't done no updates on the camp in a minute. Oreo is a year old. Her birthday was just the other day. She's still small. That's her mama she's standing next to. She's a chunky one though. What's up, Piper? And Rain over there. Little Teddy. Micro bully. Standing next to a 1-year-old Frenchie. Princess in the background. What's up, y'all? Water overflowing. Coming on. A little backyard bungalow we got going on. Yeah, man. Trophy and Gemma back here being lazy. Oh, Oreo coming to disturb them. Laying in that sunlight. Yeah, that's it really, guys. Ain't much going on. I just wanted to give y'all an update of how we've been living. Everything's good. We got rid of young Dolph. Got rid of Maui, so it's all girls. I'll be using some studs, outside studs for now, unless I just really find a stud that I want to bring here to the camp. Princess! Come here, Princess! Come on! But if you got a stud for me, comment down below. I'm in Dallas, Texas, but we're always down to get that shit, get it shipped here. Look, that's almost all the girls in one picture right there, except for Oreo over here. They're all for sale too, except for Oreo. All these right here are for sale. Let me know. Oreo's not for sale, but everybody else can go. Alright, y'all, that's really all we got going on. Got some bunnies going on, a little project between me and my kids. Got the chickens. We got the racking house concept going on, where the rabbits poop down into the chicken pen. Rabbits are above the chickens, so the chickens help break down the rabbit poop, and there's no cleanup after the rabbits. But I'll give you another video on that another day. It's about the dogs. Getting that sunlight, vitamin D. Well, that's all we got going on, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Let's get the algorithm going. See if we can do this shit. Also doing a giveaway. If you check my last videos, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, might be giving one of these bitches away. Might be giving, I do the hairless cats. I breed hairless cats as well, sphinxes. Go check out my previous videos if you're into that. And yeah, might be giving some cash away, a cat, a dog, hell, you never know, a car. I sell cars, buy and sell as well. If you got something for sale, comment down below, I'll buy it. Shit. But yeah, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a free giveaway. We're not even close, so like, subscribe, all that jazz, and we'll catch you guys later. That's the update right there, y'all. Nothing really going on. We got rid of the boys. It's all bitches, just how I like it. Alright, y'all. Here are the hairless cats that I was speaking of. That's all 4 of them. There's Louie, Dad, Rebecca. She has a litter on the way in her belly. Shuffles to the left, and that is what's her damn name? Sorry guys. Chanel. But yeah, that's all of them. They all need a bath and need their ears cleaned. I'm gonna do that on Sunday. Today's not Sunday, so I don't want to hear it. But alright, y'all. Dogs Day Exotics and Cats Day Exotics. We are out.
When I pull up with my dog. I want a Ferrari and a Bugatti. My cousin lets me play.